Hi everybody, and welcome back to my modeling channel. So today we are going to check two aircraft, different brand, same scale. So we're gonna do a review of the 747-400 on the 144 scale. One is made by Dragon and the other one by Revell. The Dragon specificity is it's also that you can see here, you can have the cut up of the model and see all the interior. So that's going to be the main difference. But let's open those kits and see what we have inside. So let's start with the Dragon 747-400. So as you can see, we have a lot of screws. So what I will do is I will open them one by one and review them with you. So what we have is initially we're having basically all the interior seats, and of course, so here is the upper deck with the cockpit, the lower deck, and so this is all for the interior. So that will be our first part. Then on the second bag we are having the highest part of the wing, as you can see, and this part is open, so we will be able to detail the interior, basically all the wings fairing inside, and as you can see it will be the same as well for the stabber. We also have the part of the undercarriage, as we can see here. It's already pre-painted, but as you know me and you saw my previous models, I will most probably come back and do some more work, as I'm planning to do another livery than Air China. So we're coming now to the fuselage, and as you can see, here is our fuselage on the left side, and this is cut open, so we will be able to show up all the details of the interior. And this is the right part of the fuselage, which is in a plain plastic, already pre-painted. So now let's continue further the discovery of that model. So we have the lower part of the wing with the other part of the horizontal stabilizer. As we can see, everything has been engraved, but it's a pretty thick engravement on the wing surface. So let's have a look now on the clear part. So the clear part, as you can see, we have a few parts of our fuselage that we will be able to detail. You have also some part on the upper side of the wing, the horizontal stabilizer, and some other parts which I believe are the engines details. So let's continue forward. So now we have all the containers, will be details on the lower part of the wings. We have the stairs, and here are the engine mount that we're going to be able to display. Now we will continue and check out all the engine. And as you can see right here, we will be able to display some part of the engines. As we have two engines can be displayed, and we have the fans. Now the airplane is displayed. You have the choice of doing that aircraft in flight, or to display that models on the ground on its four wheels, as you could see previously. So this is how basically the fit is going to be. We will be able to detail that later on. I haven't really decided which one am I going to do. And here are all the seats, basically the back parts of the seats were quite little, but I will be able to display everything. And I believe here we will have other seats, and the first class and business class seats will be available right here. So as we can see, yeah, those ones are much larger, so I believe those ones will be the business class seat. Now let's have a look on our decal sheet. The first one here is for the cockpit and the panel and instruments. And here we have a livery for Air China. So here is now our instruction sheet. It's one A4 format paper, or maybe A3. So we have all the details on how to build the interior. And of course it is a little bit, it's a quite easy sheets, and all the details are here. So that's conclude the 747-400 from Dragon, and I'm gonna go now for the Revell 747. So now let's check our 747 from Revell. This is a much simpler model, as you can see, only the outside of the model itself. So let's start to open the kit. The kit was made quite a long time ago, so it's not as detailed, and I heard also that there was some misshapes on the fuselage itself and the model itself. So the fuselage is been composed in two parts, as we can see here. And this is plain. This is also engraved, and I have to say that it's not really a light engravement, so it's more or less the same as what we will have on the Dragon model. Now we have the horizontal stabilizer, and as we can maybe see over here, there has been some misshape, and there will be some more work later on to get a better surface. Now here we have basically the wings is composed in two parts. We can see the fairings as well are also part of the wing itself. So we have the same for the other wing, and one of the last part, basically we will have the engines, the undercarriage of course, and the fairing. So here are the engines, who are separated in two halves per engine, which is a little bit different from the Dragon model. We also have the undercarriage, not very much detailed, but I will add most probably some lead wire to give me a better impression and a better finish. And so now we have some clear parts. Those will be... So now we have the clear part, which is the cockpit itself, and basically the landing lights. So this concludes mainly the model itself. Now let's have a look on the instruction sheet and the decal sheet, which is the main topic of that model. So as you can see, the instruction sheet is well detailed in color, lots of instructions about coloring as well, and it's almost like a little booklet. So it will give you all the little details you will need to do that, to build that models and to do the painting. Lots of instructions and a lot of details. And of course the highlight will be the decal. The livery of that 747 is from that hard rock band called Iron Maiden, and that was for their world tour. So the decals are really nice. Revell is always putting a great effort on their decal sheets, with a lot of details as well for the aircraft itself and of course for the livery. So I will most probably build this aircraft on the Dragon model with the Revell decals, and to have a great finish. But I will share that on another video. So this concludes our video from Revell versus Dragon and all the kits. If you have any question, don't hesitate to use the comment box below. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. And I hope you enjoyed that video with me. If you did so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also check out my other video on the top left corner. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.